Hot sauce. We got G's famous. I do mean famous. Rosemary, garlic, lemon, baked chicken thighs. Yes, sir, baby. We bake these right here, baby. Definitely hot sauce. It's too cold. What's up, Ward? Yeah, she good. She got that beer. Underneath, we got those. What's the sprouts? Yes, sir, baby. The best Brussels sprouts you ever had right here, baby. We got the red potatoes and bacon. Also with a little onion up in there. Yes, sir. Balsamic vinegar mixed. Definitely hot sauce. Oh, yeah. You don't like Brussels sprouts? Have you tried this right here? You're definitely gonna be a fan. Straight hot sauce. Got the red potatoes, Brussels sprouts, onions, bacon. Can't go wrong with that. 400 degrees, 45 minutes. So definitely hot sauce. She is famous. Baked rosemary, garlic, lemon, chicken thighs with Brussels sprouts, potatoes, onions, balsamic vinegar mix. Definitely hot sauce. Go dog.